Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes. First tonight on Fox 4 News at 5:30, there was supposed to be a hearing today to decide if Pallavi Dhawan, the Frisco mother accused of murdering her son, could travel to India for final Hindu funeral rites. But that hearing didn't happen. The state says it didn't know the hearing was set. Fox 4's Sean Rabb reports for the very first time, Frisco police say they do intend to present a case to the grand jury.
We showed up in our Sunday go-to meetings ready to go. But there's a question as to whether or not the state received proper notice.
No hearing to determine if Pallavi Dhawan could have her passport back and travel to India for 2 weeks in September for a final Hindu rites ritual for dead son Arnav.
That's where it's believed that, if you go to only these specific cities, like those are the pilgrimage spots, and if you do it for, your loved ones, they'll get peace.
Frisco police say 10-year-old Arnav was killed by his mother. Monday marked 6 months, and she was arrested and charged with murder. Police had the family's SUV for months, removing and copying the hard drive in the car's GPS computer system. Still, no case has gone to a grand jury.
I don't think this case is ever going to go to trial. I don't think the case will ever go to a grand jury. I don't think they have any intention of presenting this to a neutral fact finder, much less a jury.
By email, Frisco PD's Deputy Chief David Shilson tells me, "I know we've talked before in the unique challenges in recovering the GPS data. Recovering this data must be done to complete our investigation into this case," adding, "Unequivocally, we intend to present a case to the DA for grand jury review when all the information and evidence is compiled."
For the facts we are looking at, you would think the investigation would be complete at this time.
Former Dallas County Prosecutor Toby Shook says the only way for prosecutors to argue against the Dhawan travel and charges aren't filed
is when the police are telling you something's coming, or we think something's coming soon, and we think she's not coming back.
Dhawan's attorney sees it differently.
They jumped the gun, and it's like that Southwestern Airlines ad, "You want to get away?" They're trying to get away, but unfortunately, this stalling is really impacting this family.
All right, so maybe not much stalling anymore. The deputy chief from Frisco sent you an email, right? And
yes.
says they do indeed intend to file these charges.
Right.
Did
exactly.
they say when?
Well, when all the information and evidence is in fact collected is what they say. As you know, Heather, no statute of limitations on murder. It's one of those open-ended until it's somehow solved crimes. The family says they need to go to participate in these final funeral rites called Shraddha, so son Arnav can have what's called in Hindu mukti, or spiritual freedom.
Right.
But Frisco police say Pallavi Dhawan's not the victim. They say Arnav is, and they say it's their job to investigate all the suspicious circumstances around his death.
So any sort of timeline at all?
No timeline. It's open. Okay. But next week we expect to meet with the Frisco chief of police on next Friday, talk with him about some of these things.
All right, you've been on it, Sean. Thank you.
Okay.